spawn. Oh, this is nice.
This is very, very beautiful. God, I love this game.
Oh yeah.
It is so nice.
Just sucks Stalingrad's so fucking brown.
Yeah, I know. It's very difficult to make out aircraft on the ground. Escape up and rolling.
Take a runaway right.
Roger that. Escape on runway center. Sword, you're going to take runway left.
I'll take left. Yep.
Alright, drop the flaps down 2 notches. It looks like a short runway, and I can't see it out of the sun, so I don't want to fuck that up.
Copy that. Oh yeah, taking off right into the sun. Just beautiful.
Okay, we're going to do a left-hand orbit.
Roger.
Once we cross that river, we will hit 114.
Copy.
Roger.
Cody, your lights are on.
Yep. I'll hit him once I stop.
Yep, roger. Ian, was that flap 2 notch?
Yeah,
Roger.
the second black line on the left airline.
Flap set.
Okay, second black line on the, which is it? Like, where's the...
Left airline. On your wing, left wing, drop the flap, and you'll see black hash marks.
Roger, I'll check. I'm doing it right now.
As soon as your wheel's up, then you want to, once you're over 200 kilometers an hour, you want to pull them back up.
Okay, at the second black line.
Yep. Right. You ready?
Copy.
Ready?
Rolling.
Escape rolling.
Make it rolling. Up.
Hand up.
Escape
Okay.
up.
Go to get to the river, then we'll make a left hand turn to 114. Left up.
Ian, I'm on your close 6.
Michigan left hand turn 114. Get to the top right.
And we built some air.
Drop it to 2400. Yep.
I'm at 114. Oh, no, I'm not. Derp.
114 climbing.
Yeah, 114.
Escape on 105.
2400 rhythms. Drop down to 2250.
$23.50.
Yeah, that was 2350.
Apron.
Copy.
All right, so as we approach, we're gonna go down to Volga. Let's go straight line, follow, and then we'll circle right-hand egress. We'll swing south and then west around their airfield, that Shopper 18, and we'll see if we can draw anybody up. Is there anybody on? 3. All right.
Copy.
Copy that on your lead.
Climb to Angels 2.5.
Roger.
Copy.
These things climb so good.
Yeah, you do, man.
Oh, even with a bomb under, it's like a whole 350 on a climb. Rad.
I wish this thing had a climb speed indicator.
Yeah.
It would be nice.
You get free management though. Trade off.
Approach is 2.5.
Yeah, that went off.
Oh, wait, no, Aegis 2. 4.5.
All right, keep your eyes peeled to our 1 and 2 o'clock as we cross the river. That's where the airfield is. If they come from that.
Roger.
Yeah, copy that. Airfield is inside.
Okay, under that cloud, that 3 clouds in front of us, the middle one, there's an airfield, train station, the in a little town right on the right-hand side of that airfield. And closest. When we approach that town, it's going to be the closest part of the town to us. Okay, beginning.
Copy diving.
Up. It's going under the cloud. So that's the way to go.
What visual on you, Ian?
2.8. Are you low?
Yeah, low.
I just dipped. Okay.
One.
Dipped below that cloud. Obscurity.
At 1.4 visual.
Okay. All right. Our vision sight. You'll see some white tents on the left-hand side of the road, wrapping around that city. Train station is directly right of that.
Copy. With you.
Enemy, active enemy airfield off to our 2 o'clock. Far, not too far. Medium.
What's your guys' angels now?
Descending. Roger. 2. Now 1.5.
Same. Okay.
Okay. Commence bombing run.
Cody check left.
All right. It's gonna get hot.
Straight now.
I can't even see you.
Watch the flag.
Oh shit!
Right below you.
You got me, but we got left.
Copy that with you. Bombs up.
Same here. Okay, we should eat rest.
Yeah, I'm hunting due west.
Do you guys go
Helena River.
Yeah, I see one of you. I'm following.
I got engine damage, got oil. Gotta get over front of these lines. Oh, come on, dude. No. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. I didn't fail. Motherfucker. No.
Oh no.
Yeah.
There
You
you
did
go.
some good shit though.
I got triple the right to the face.
I see your plane and your pilot.
Yeah. Well, this movie crashed. If it's happening or not.
I wish I could stay above to make. I just saw your plane hit the ground. Damn it.
I'm safety. I just don't know if it's gonna. I'm so close to the front line.
Oh, that is risky.
Cody,
All right,
egress.
what's the?
Egress
Yep.
is 301.
Okay, I thought so. I am at 302. 301.
Copy. I am just below you to your low 11.
Oh, I think I see you.
Wide right.
Oh, no, not yet.
12 o'clock.
Sorry, Ian.
No, dude, I mean, attacking the train station is not a man. Old TAW, when it was, the AAA was like, laser guided, like, it's suicide. Unless you have a huge order like that. It's still dangerous, like, train station is one of the most heavily defended things, besides depots and airfields.
Fair enough. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen any of us go into a train station without getting hit or something. Like, almost always something happens.
Yeah, let's see. And I killed some trains and some trucks and stuff.
Hell yeah, man. How high up do you want to climb here, John?
Just leveled.
Roger.
2350.
All right, boys.
Roger. All right, man. Thanks for flying.
Yep, I'll play with you guys tomorrow when I work.
All right. Can't wait.
Good set.
Good flight, man.
Later.
Later.
Well, this was fun.
Airfield's in sight.
Roger that. Wow, we didn't have to fly that far, eh?
No, we didn't.
Probably gonna crash early tonight. I went in super tired today.
Yeah, me too, man.
We'll figure out the icing tomorrow. I don't want to mess with the code without you, dude. I'll fuck something up.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's on, like, I know I can do it. It's just safer than sorry, right?
For sure.
Like, I was really just thinking about it. We were flying. It's like, it's a lot easier for me to ask you to help me with it than you to help me fix it.
I'm gonna do one lap around the airfield.
Roger that. I have you in sight. I'm coming to your right.
Usually.
I'm on your left stick now. I see the air. Sorry, I got distracted with the, I'll just meet you down there. We're both right there.
Yeah, follow me.
I see you. I'm coming up to your 6. Oh yeah, my spotting has gotten a lot better though. I can see you clear as day. Well, even without the thing, I found you again.
Let's skip downwind.
Yep, I see you clear as day, brother.
Skip on base.
Roger. Swinging around on my left. Gonna descend my flaps, or most of them.
Skip on brake.
Roger that. Coming in for final yet, or?
Escape on final.
Yeah. I see ya.
Runway right.
Roger that. Coming down, gears coming down. You're on the right. Coming in for a swing.
Skip down.
Roger that. I just saw you. Good landing.
And exit right.
And you're coming in left. Oh, this one was not smooth. Damn it. It happens.